This is the worked examples video for Momentum, Paper 2 content. By the end, you'll be able to do 3 things. First, use P equals mv. Second, rearrange it to find mass or velocity. And third, use conservation of momentum in a collision. The equation is P equals m times v. Momentum equals mass times velocity. P is momentum in kilograms meters per second, and m is mass in kilograms. V is velocity in meters per second. Cover the one you want in the triangle. First, a straight momentum calculation. A 1200 kilogram car moves at 15 meters per second. Write the equation. P equals m times v. Substitute 1200 times 15. That's 18,000 kilograms meters per second. Now conservation of momentum. A 2 kilogram trolley moving at 3 meters per second hits a stationary 1 kilogram trolley and they stick together. Before the collision, the total momentum is 2 times 3, which is 6 kilograms meters per second. The still trolley has none. Momentum is conserved, so after the collision, the combined 3 kilograms must also have 6 units of momentum. 3 times v equals 6. So v is 2 meters per second. The 2 trolleys move off together at 2 meters per second. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. Find the momentum of a 5 kilojoules ball moving at 4 meos. Question 2. A 3 kilojoules object has 30 kilojoules ms of momentum. Find its velocity. Question 3. A 4 kilos trolley at 2 ms hits a still 4 kilojoules trolley and they stick. Find their speed. Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 20 kilo ms. Number 2, 10 mes. V, pm, she's 30, so 3. Number 3, 1 mes. 8 kilos must have 8 kilos ms. 8 x v 8. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.